Hey everyone, Parvez here. Today we're diving into meditation, a practice that can truly transform your life. Did you know that just 10 minutes of meditation a day can improve focus by up to 22% and cut stress levels in half? But how do you make meditation and spirituality simple? It's like hitting the pause button on the chaos and giving your mind a much-needed break. So if you're ready to unlock the incredible benefits of meditation and experience a calmer, more focused, and happier you, stick with me. I'm going to share a simple yet powerful technique that takes just 10 minutes. Let's get started. Alright, let's create our space for calm and clarity. Find a quiet spot where you can relax without distractions. It could be your bedroom, living room, or even a peaceful corner in your backyard. Get comfortable. Sit cross-legged on a cushion or pillow, or settle into a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your spine straight but not stiff. Silence your phone or use it strategically with calming background music or nature sounds. The goal here is to create a sense of separation from the outside world, even if it's just for 10 minutes. This is your time to disconnect from the constant noise and reconnect with yourself. Now that we've set the stage, let's talk about breath. Our breath is like a remote control for our nervous system. When we control our breath, we control our state of mind. For the first 2 minutes, practice this breathing technique. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Repeat this cycle for the next 2 minutes, imagining you're breathing in calmness and exhaling worries. This simple technique can help you achieve a calm, focused, and energized state. As we move into the next phase, let's shift our focus to the present moment. For the next 5 minutes, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. It's natural for thoughts to arise. Simply acknowledge them and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Think of your breath as an anchor, grounding you in the present moment. You might find it helpful to focus on the sensations of your breath or silently repeat a simple mantra like, inhale peace, exhale stress. This practice of returning to the breath is where true transformation happens. Now, let's amplify our meditation with visualization. For the final 3 minutes, visualize yourself achieving your goals and living your best life. Close your eyes and imagine yourself thriving, giving an amazing presentation, acing an exam, or having a joyful day. Feel the positive emotions associated with achieving your goals, the excitement, pride, and fulfillment. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful 10-minute meditation to help you find calm, boost focus, and unleash your inner rock star. Consistency is key. The more you incorporate this practice into your daily routine, the more you'll experience its transformative benefits. Try this meditation today and see how it makes you feel. Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need a little more zen in their life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss a beat on our journey to living more mindful, intentional lives. Until next time, keep rocking your journey to inner peace.